I just got this very cool gift from Tracy. It is a Russian, basically a round slide rule. So it's really easy to use. I don't know how to use it actually because I can't read the instructions. They're all in Russian. Maybe I'll talk to one of my Armenian friends here and see if I can get a translation. But one side of it, it looks like, is just a lookup table for some trig stuff. So I think this second ring here is for looking up sine. So like, I don't know, sine of 20, and then you read it on the outside ring. So sine of 20 is like, and these are 0.34 something. So like, let's see, sine of 20 is 0.342. You know, so you can look up sine stuff that way. This inner ring, this inner little spiral, is for tangent. So maybe 20 again, but on the tangent ring, and then again read it on the outside. So it's 0.365 or something like that. 0.363 actually. So you can look up some trig stuff that way, and then the other side, it looks like the inner ring is cosine in radians. So I'll just put the one at the top, but like cosine of 20, or of 2, sorry, 2 radians is going to be like negative 0.4 something. So let's see, 2, this doesn't do radians, this calculator. Convert to radians. Cosine is like negative 0.41, you know, so this comes out to 0.4 something. The fun part, though, I think, is that it actually is a slide rule, circular slide rule. So we have this marker here that I can line up with the outside ring, and then you can line the pin up with some number on here, like let's say the 3. Okay, so that's with the 1 and the 3 on the outside edge. And since these are two logarithmic scales, you can move it around, and the ratio between the two pins is always the same. So this is essentially like 1 times 3 is 3. But if I move this over to point at the 2, then now 2 times 3 is 6. You know, or 3 times 3 is 9. You know, 4 is 10, 11, 12. You know, and you can go the other way around and say, okay, I've got this guy lined up on the 4. I can do division by 4. So I move this to the 20, and then set this back to the 1. And 20 divided by 4 is 5. You know, so you can use it just like a slide rule, just with the 2 pins and the adjustable scales. So it's just like these old slide rules, you know, where you have the 2 logarithmic scales and you can slide the center piece. That's pretty cool. It's a pretty fun little device.